Hazrat Masruq states that he paid a visit to Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu. So he said, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam invited the Quraysh to Islam, they belied and disobeyed him. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam made an invocation, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, help me, imposing on them 7 such years as you sent in Hazrat Joseph alayhi salam times. So famine captured them until everything get depleted. So they started eating carrion, and whenever any one of them would cast a glance in between himself and the sky, he would, due to distress and starvation, see something like smoke. He then recited this verse, therefore wait you the day when the sky will bring a clear smoke. You will again do the same. Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu said, will the torment be removed from those people on the day of resurrection? Moreover, he said, the greatest seizing means the battle of Badr. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4823.